In a world that demands safety, performance, and sustainability, one Indian company stands as a pioneer in advanced coating technology. Welcome to Ugam Chemicals, leaders in innovative, fire-retardant paints, heat-resistant paints, thermal insulation, and energy-saving coatings. Founded and led by Mr. Nitin Vijaykumar Shah, Ugam combines over 39 years of global experience across the USA, Germany, and the Gulf. Our proprietary ceramic microsphere technology, inspired by NASA's thermal insulation science, delivers world-class protection made in India. Since 1996, Ugam has been developing unique coatings that have saved 10% to 40% fuel for industries worldwide. Ugam thermal insulation coating services reduce heat transfer, save up to 15% energy, and minimize carbon footprint, extending the life of your assets. Our eco-friendly, water-based fireproof coatings protect steel, wood, fabric, and electrical systems, enhancing building safety without environmental cost. Every Ugam product contributes to energy efficiency, sustainability, and longer structural life, supporting IGBC, LEED, and GRIHA green building standards. Fire retardant coating for wood. Fire resistant paint, walls, gypsum, concrete. Fire retardant for structural steel, non-intumescent epoxy. EP and SB paint. Fire retardant for external metal, intumescent coating. Flame retardant for wood and fabric. Fireproof coating for electrical cables. Multi-surface fire block. FR duct coating, HVAC duct protection. Vermiculite coating, fireproof structural coating. Insulmix, heat reflective roof and wall paint. SI Coat System, traditional insulation replacement coating. HRTI 1000 heat resistant thermal insulation. HRTI 1200 SB, high temp 1200 degrees Celsius, solvent based. HRTI 1800 WB, extreme heat 1800 degrees Celsius, water based. HR 1200 WB, heat resistant 1200 degrees Celsius, water based. HR 1800 WB, heat resistant 1800 degrees Celsius, water based. High chemicals resistance and anti-corrosive coating. Fluoroluminescent paints, night glow paint, self-glowing paint. Exterior emulsion paint. Interior emulsion paint. Recognized as the best company in paints and coatings for 3 consecutive years by the CIA World Awards and recipient of the Indo-UK Global Business Award 2023, has now received the Industrial Excellence Award in Specialty Coatings at the Global Achievers Summit 2025 in Washington, D.C., marking 29 years of innovation in sustainable, high-performance coatings. From fire protection to energy efficiency, Ugam stands for innovation, reliability, and sustainability. Ugam Chemicals, protecting what matters most.